Good afternoon, Muscle Car Corner here, bringing you a Hemi Cornet. 1967 was the year. I'll tell you what, you don't see too many of these built the way this one is. It's quite unique. It states that originally this was built by an engineer, Fred Lyons, for Superstock racing. By Chrysler engineer Fred Lyons. That's neat. Engine built by Dean Napoleon's Racing. Featured in a SEMA show in 03, excuse me. I don't have my glasses on. Man, I like this build. And being a Chrysler engineer, built this back in the day. That just puts a whole different ball game on this thing. The detail in the back of the sheet metal work on the inside. Roll bars painted nice. Tell you what, I like it. Look at those big old meats up under the back of it. This is a unique build. I really like it. Wow, that's a fiberglass deck lid on there. Fiberglass deck lid and hood. I was wondering why it had such a gap in it there. Huh. I never would have known that those pieces were available, fiberglass, for this model car. That might have been a Chrysler deal there. If he was an engineer, he had access to a lot of parts for this car. This color combo is kind of wild. It's unique. I don't think I've ever seen it all put together like this, these colors. It really works. I'm not a huge white guy. I don't like a lot of cars white. Trans Ams do look very nice white, but this car in white don't look that good. And without the silver and the black with the red pinstripe, it's amazing. Well, Muscle Car Corner bringing you another Mopar. You know, I love my Mopars. And this one's kind of cool, knowing that an original Chrysler engineer built this car. I like it. I bet you it's a plastic. Yeah, it's a glass hood as well. Steel fenders. If it was from Chrysler, I thought it might have had some aluminum fenders on it, but... All right, Muscle Car Corner, bringing you a really neat Chrysler engineered Mopar. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your friends. Sure appreciate y'all.